Increasingly, China-based smartphone manufacturers are winning ground previously held by mainstream makers, and if you're looking for a simple, one-word explanation for this, here it is: price, and dirt cheap prices, at that. Indeed, Chinese smartphones' accompanying price tag is undeniably the single greatest reason people even buy into devices whose brand names they've never heard of before. And if you, too, were on a budget, and in need of an affordable phone that doesn't outright blow, then the Google E7 that we'll be spotlighting today will absolutely catch your attention. Simply put, this is one of the most spec'd out phones we know of for this kind of cash. To start off, it features a JDI made, a co-venture by Sony, Toshiba, Hitachi, 5-inch IPS display with a 720 by 1280 pixel resolution, 294p, a quad-core processor clocked at 1.3 GHz, likely the MediaTek MT6582, 1 GB of RAM, and 8 GB of internal storage which can be expanded with additional 32 GB through a microSD card. So far, so good, but we're not nearly finished, and neither was LG when building the E7. For all your shooting needs, the company has incorporated a 13-megapixel Sony camera at the back with f/2.2 aperture and 5p lens, though we can't be sure if this is the MX214 that is available with high-end smartphones. Up at the front, you're also getting a great deal, for we're looking at an 8-megapixel snapper. But that's not all. LG has also added an enormous 4500 mAh battery with quick charging. Apparently 80% of it charges in about an hour, and that's without significantly impacting the handset's thinness. Its measurements read 5.67 by 2.82 by 0.35 in, 144 by 71.6 by 8.9 millimeters, and it weighs 5.64 ounces, 160 grams, a remarkable feat considering the price tag. So what is the price tag? As you probably gleaned already, the Google E7 is available for $129.99 through multiple web stores, including GearBest, in both black and white colors. Ostensibly, the value proposition here is off the charts, and we sure hope LG isn't intentionally misleading consumers. What do you make of the Google E7? Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more reviews. And I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, goodbye.